Namaskara and welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today's video is not just a video, it is a conversation about our choices, our responsibility, and our future as Indians. From the moment we wake up in the morning till we go to sleep at night, we use hundreds of products: soap, toothpaste, clothes, food, phones, vehicles, and more. But have you ever paused for a second and asked yourself, where does my money go after I spend it? Does it stay in India and create jobs for our people? Or does it quietly leave the country and strengthen another economy? This video is not against foreign brands. This video is for Indian brands, for Indian workers, for Indian farmers, for Indian entrepreneurs. Today we will explore Indian brands across every segment, from daily use products to automobiles, from small household items to large industries. We will also understand how buying Indian products boosts our economy, creates employment, strengthens our stock market, and helps India grow stronger step by step. If you believe in Atmanirbhar Bharat, if you believe in supporting local, and if you believe in India's potential, then sit back, listen carefully, and let's begin this journey together. Today, I want to ask every Indian one simple question. When you wake up in the morning, which toothpaste do you use? Which soap touches your skin? Which oil goes into your food? Which phone is in your hand? Which vehicle do you travel in? Have you ever stopped and thought, who is earning money because of my daily choices? Is it my country, or is it some foreign company sitting thousands of kilometers away? This video is not about hate against foreign brands. This video is about awareness, responsibility, and pride. Because every rupee you spend is a vote that decides India's economy, India's jobs, and India's future. When you buy an Indian product, you are not just buying an item, you are supporting an Indian factory, you are supporting Indian workers, you are supporting Indian farmers, you are supporting Indian transporters, you are supporting Indian engineers, you are supporting Indian shareholders. That one purchase creates a chain reaction. Money stays inside, taxes go to the Indian government, that money builds roads, schools, hospitals, railways, and defense. This is called economic circulation. When money circulates within the country becomes stronger. This is the place where the change begins. It all starts with daily use products, be it in the form of soap, what touches your body daily. Let's start with something very basic, that is soap. Indian brands like Mysore Sandal Soap, Medimix, Chandrika, Vico, Patanjali, Wipro. These are not small brands. They are built using Indian herbs, Indian research, and Indian manufacturing. When you choose these soaps, you are supporting Indian Ayurveda, Indian MSMEs, Indian raw material suppliers. A foreign soap may look fancy, but the profit leaves India. Next comes toothpaste. Indian brands include Dabur Red, Vico Vajradanti, Patanjali Dantakanti, Meswak. These brands use traditional Indian knowledge, not just chemicals. By choosing Indian toothpaste, you support Ayurveda, you reduce dependency on imports, you promote local research. When it comes to shampoo and hair care, the Indian brands like Clinic Plus, Patanjali Kesh Kanti, Biotic, Mama Earth, Khadi Natural, Air care is deeply connected to Indian climate and lifestyle. Indian brands understand this better than anyone else. When it comes to food, oil, and kitchen, this is the art of Indian economy. It all starts with cooking oil. The Indian brands like Fortune, Dara, Saffola, Patanjali, Imami healthy and tasty. When you buy Indian edible oil, farmers are benefited, oil mills get benefited, transporters are benefited. Agriculture is India's backbone. Your kitchen decisions directly affect rural India. When it comes to spices and food products, Indian brands like MDH, Everest, Tata Sampann, 24 Mantra Organic, every packet supports Indian farmers, Indian processing units, Indian supply chains. When it comes to clothing and footwear, from weavers to factories, including clothing, Indian brands like Raymond, Reliance Trends, Fab India, Manyavar, Biba, Pantaloons. India has one of the oldest textile traditions in the world. Buying Indian clothes means supporting weavers, supporting cotton farmers, supporting textile workers. When it comes to Indian food brands, Bata, Relaxo, Paragon, Sparks, Campus, they are affordable, durable, and made for Indian conditions. When it comes to electronics and technology, India is rising. Many people think India cannot make electronics, but look at Dixon, Lava, Micromax, Boat, Noise. Many of the newer phones, chargers, and wearables are now manufactured in India. Even when some brands are global, manufacturing in India creates jobs. When it comes to automobiles, India moves on its own wheels. Indian automobile brands like Tata Motors, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, TVS, Bajaj, Hero, and many more. Tata and Mahindra vehicles are now competing globally. Buying Indian vehicles means supporting Indian engineers, supporting Indian R&D, supporting Indian manufacturing plants. What happens when you buy foreign brands? Let's be honest, foreign brands are not bad, but when majority money flows out, problems begin. Forex outflow increases, rupee weakens, dependency increases, jobs reduce locally, you work hard in India, you earn in India, why should your profits build another country's economy? Investing is the biggest irony of modern India. Many people buy foreign brands, invest in foreign companies, ignore Indian stocks, but think carefully. If Indians invest more in Indian stock market, Indian mutual funds, Indian companies, then companies grow, share prices rise, investors profit, economy strengthens, your own money grows within your own country. So how to research before buying? This is very important. Before buying anything, ask yourself, is it manufactured in India? Does it employ Indians? Does it use Indian raw materials? Is there any Indian alternative? Also check for company website, manufacturing location, brand ownership. You don't have to be perfect. Even 60 to 70% Indian choices make a huge impact. The real impact is gonna be in terms of job creation. When demand for Indian products increases, new factories open, more people get jobs, salaries increase, skills improve. Employment is not created by speeches, it is created by consumer demand. Even though Peter England sounds like a foreign brand, it is fully owned by the Aditya Birla Group, one of India's largest and oldest business houses. The design, manufacturing, employment, and profits of Peter England largely stay within India, which makes it an Indian brand in economic terms. Many people assume Peter England is foreign because of its name, but the brand contributes to Indian jobs, Indian taxes, and Indian shareholders. When you buy Peter England, you are indirectly supporting Indian textile workers, Indian factories, and an Indian corporate group. Peter England proves that a brand name does not define nationality, ownership, and economic contribution do. Several brands in India may sound international, but their roots, workforce, and profits are firmly Indian. This is why understanding who owns a brand is more important than just looking at the brand name or logo. Buying from such brands still supports the Indian economy because the value chain remains largely within the country. In today's global world, a brand can look foreign but still work for India. There are a few other brands with foreign sounding names but with the Indian ownership. When it comes to apparel and fashion, as we already discussed, Peter England is owned by Aditya Birla Group, a completely Indian company. Louis Philippe, an Indian brand again under Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Van Heusen is again another Indian brand. It's operated and owned in India by the Aditya Birla Group. Allen Solly, despite the English name, it is an Indian brand owned by Aditya Birla. Pantaloons sounds Western, but it is a homegrown Indian retail brand. Mufti, international sounding, but fully Indian and made for Indian consumers. Spycar, a Desi denim brand with a global feel. When it comes to footwear and accessories, Metro Shoes looks like a modern name, but it's an Indian brand. Red Tape sounds foreign, but owned by an Indian company. Bata operates as an Indian listed company with massive Indian manufacturing. Relaxo, it sounds global, but a fully Indian footwear giant. When it comes to personal care and FMCG, Clinic Plus, it's manufactured in India, though global, produced extensively in India. Fiyama, an Indian brand from ITC. Engage, a fragrance brand by ITC, despite the foreign sounding name. Livon, owned by an Indian FMCG company. Fog sounds Western, but owned by Winnie Cosmetics, an Indian firm. Denver, an Indian deodorant brand. When it comes to retail, lifestyle, and consumer brands, Urban Ladder sounds international but founded in India. Pepperfry, an Indian e-commerce furniture brand. Boat, a simple English name but a proud Indian electronics brand. Noise, Indian wearable brand with a global identity. Fast Track, a youth brand from Titan or Tata Group. When it comes to automobiles and mobility, Royal Enfield, originally British but now completely Indian owned under Eicher Motors. Ather Energy, global name but Indian EV brand. Ola Electric, modern global name, it's an Indian innovation. Many brands sound foreign because global names sell better, but ownership, jobs, manufacturing, and profits decide whether a brand is truly Indian. Just like I said, employment is not created by speeches, it is created by consumer demand. Buying Indian is not about forcing anyone, it is about conscious choice, a choice that says, I believe in India, I believe in Indian talent, I believe in Indian future. If 140 crore Indians decide to support Indian brands, no power on earth can stop India's growth. Start small, start today, start with your next purchase. Because India doesn't grow by chance, India grows by choice. As we come to the end of this video, I want to remember one simple truth. Every rupee you spend is not just money, it is power. The power to create jobs, the power to grow industries, the power to shape the future of our country. You don't need to stop buying everything foreign overnight. Change does not happen in one day, but awareness begins today. Start with one product, one brand, one conscious decision. When millions of Indians start choosing Indian brands, factories expand, jobs increase, innovation grows, and our economy becomes self reliant. India does not lack talent, India does not lack resources. India only needs belief and support from its own people. If you found this video meaningful, share it with your family, friends, and fellow Indians. Let this message reach every household. This is Mithun Diaries, where we talk about India, growth, responsibility, and real change. Jai Hind, vocal for local, support Indian, build India. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.